SEO importance in blog advertising. Having a blog on the internet that gives people some good information does do a lot of good if people don't know that it's there. If you want people to be able to find your blog, something that is important is that you have good search engine optimization, or SEO. Whenever you put one or more words into a search bar to look for something, the SEO of a website is what helps bring up those websites. For example, if your blog is about Harry Potter, you are going to want to be sure that your blog includes popular terms such as Harry Potter, J.K. Rowling, and other things that are related to Harry Potter. Think about the things that people look for when they are interested in Harry Potter, and the kinds of things that come up when you search. It's always a good idea to use your own experience when you are optimizing your blog for searching. Think about what has worked, what hasn't worked, and use them for your own blog SEO. This way, when someone puts one of the terms that you put in your blog into a search engine, it will be one of the sites that comes up. Of course, there are other factors that come into play that determine where your blog will come up in the list, but everyone starts somewhere. The more keywords that your blog uses, the more people will come to your blog. It just takes time and patience.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.